Since the Seestar S50 and the S30 use the same app, I'm going to assume the process is the same on both. Start by powering on the Seestar by holding down the power button until you hear the double beep.
Powering on, ready to connect.
Once you hear the message, open the Seestar app and press the Connect button, then select your device by pressing the Connect button next to your device name. A message pops up asking to join the Wi-Fi network with your device name. Select Join. When a successful connection is made, a green check mark appears and says Congrats. 3 seconds later, the main screen opens and you are ready to begin. To set your Seestar to save each frame, press the Me icon on the bottom right side, then select Advanced Features close to the bottom of the screen. The next screen has several options listed, but the one we want is Save Each Frame. Press the slider so that the slider circle moves to the right and the slider background turns red. Now each individual frame will be saved when you image a target. Press the back arrow at the top of the page, then press the Seestar symbol at the bottom left to go back to the main page. After capturing an image and you want to go edit that image, go to My Album and select Seestar instead of Saved. All of your images will show up here. You will notice that objects here will have 2 folders with the same target name, but one will have _sub appended to it. These are the individual frames in .fit format it saved for you when you captured that target. In this example, I will edit my subs captured of Markarian's chain to remove a frame that has a satellite streak. Select the folder and scroll all the way to the bottom looking for any images that you want to remove. In this case, there are 2 frames with a streak. I will only remove one for this demo. Select the frames to be removed by selecting them one at a time and pressing the trash can icon at the bottom left of the screen. This will delete the frame from the folder. Do the same for each frame you want to remove. When you are happy with the file folder and have removed the offending frames, use the back arrow at the top left to go back to your home screen. Now select the Deep Sky Stack button in the middle of the screen next to My Album. Then press Add Images at the bottom of the screen. Find the folder that you just removed the bad frames from and select it. Then choose Select All and press OK. In this case, I'm going to only stack these 89 frames. Press Stack 89. Depending on how many frames there are, this could take some time, so be patient and let it finish. When the stacking successful message pops up at 100%, press Check Now to see the final stacked image. Here I like to run the AI denoise to clean up the image before editing and saving. Once complete, you'll get the options for adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and image size and rotation. These are basic tools and limited capabilities. I do like the brightness and size features. The 3 to 4 screen size gives the image a zooming effect without too much cropping. At this point, I will download the image to my device. I also go ahead and download the unedited image as well. From here, Exit the stacking feature and go back to your home screen. I like to go to my Photos app where the Seestar saves the downloads and see my final image. The image looks much better without the satellite streak across the image. The lighter shades in the bottom left and upper right are from field rotation, as the target was very high in the sky and approaching the meridian. At this point, we are done and ready to shut down. I hope this helps to understand the process of saving each frame and the options this creates for you. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.